Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a video that has been requested by you guys, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me shopping for houseplants. So I'm going to be going to a few different places. I'm going to be going to Ikea, maybe Home Depot, and then at least one kind of like smaller greenhouse. And I'll just kind of take you guys along and show you what I look for when I'm buying plants. I'm not really looking for anything specific today. I don't know if I'll actually buy anything. I don't really have a plant budget right now, so probably won't buy anything. I might buy one thing. I have this kind of like unspoken deal with my husband that whenever he goes out of town, I buy myself a houseplant. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that he is out of town a lot, especially this spring and summer. He's basically been out of town all the time, so I feel a little bit guilty about like always buying myself a plant, but yeah. The one thing that I would really love to find is a Birds of Paradise for like a good price and a nice healthy one, but I feel like I probably won't find that, but that's the one thing that I would really love to find. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me while I'm shopping, and yeah. Pothos are one of my favorite plants. I just love how easy they are and how quickly they grow. They're so fun. And this variegated variety is so pretty. This is a peperomia. Mine actually just died. It was always one of the easiest houseplants I had, and then it just died overnight one day. I was really tempted to pick up another snake plant because I just moved mine out of our bedroom and into our living room, and our bedroom really doesn't get enough light for anything else, so I was tempted to get another snake plant because it's the one plant that actually thrives in low light. Okay, so I was just in Ikea for 2 hours by myself, and I hardly even looked at the showrooms. Like, I swear time like stops when you go into that place. That was insane. I'm now starving. Thankfully I brought water with me, but I ate right before I left my house, so I didn't think I was gonna be hungry, but I am definitely hungry. But I'm gonna go into Lowe's. I was planning on going to Home Depot today, but instead I'm gonna go to Lowe's because the Lowe's by my house doesn't have plants, but this one looks like it has a huge plant like greenhouse section. So we'll see if they actually have houseplants there too, and yeah. Okay, so that Lowe's had 0 houseplants. I don't know if Lowe's in Canada like ever have houseplants. I've never seen them, but I always hear people talk about plants at Lowe's. This was a huge Lowe's, so I feel like if any of them had houseplants, it would have been this one. But anyway, I tried it. I'm out of breath. I parked like really far away because I am currently talking to a huge ass camera. I don't have like a tiny little vlogging camera. I have like my full DSLR camera that I'm currently talking to, so I look like a weirdo. So I parked really far away from the store. But I'm gonna go to Home Depot. It's a different one than I usually go to, so hopefully they have plants. Okay, so Home Depot actually did have some Bird of Paradise plants, but I decided not to get one. They weren't super healthy, and I had already spent a little bit of money at Ikea, so I just didn't really want to spend any more money today. But I love all of these big palm trees and ficus that they have. They're so pretty. One day I would love to have a house that has a ton of sunlight so I can have big trees like that. Also, these Majesty palms that they had were probably 6 feet tall. They were huge. English ivy will always be the one plant that I just cannot keep alive. I think they just get spider mites, and I think because we live in such a dry climate, they just really don't thrive, and they just basically dry up unless you spray them like multiple times a day. But I just think that they're so pretty, and they had so many different varieties here. All these flowering plants are so pretty, but I just feel like these would not thrive indoors in my house. Okay, so since Lowe's and Home Depot were super disappointing and didn't really have anything, I'm gonna go to one last spot. It is like a It just started raining again. Are you kidding me? It's just like a little like independently owned greenhouse. It's really cute. I've been here once before and they just have like really cool, really unique stuff. The prices are pretty decent. But yeah, I'm gonna venture out into the rain and go here. Okay, this greenhouse was so full of plants. There's way more here than there was the last time I was here. And these plants are just so much healthier than you're gonna find at any box store. So there really is so much value in buying plants from like a local greenhouse that really takes care of their plants. They have these string of bananas and string of pearls plants that are so cute. I love these rubber plants. Eventually I would love to get one. I love the pink one. I don't know what it's actually called, but the pink rubber plants are so, so cute. Also, these lemon and lime trees are so cute, but I just don't feel like they would produce any fruit in my house because it's not sunny enough. Okay, so I am back home now, obviously. And I only bought one plant and I will show that to you right now. So I bought this ZZ plant from Ikea. I actually didn't think that I saw anything at Ikea that I wanted. And then I saw this girl pick up a ZZ plant and it was the only one. And she like put it in her cart and I was like, I want that. It's so bad. Because I like didn't see any other ones. So then I was like, okay, if there's one, there must be more. So I like looked everywhere and there was like 3 more hiding like behind other stuff on a shelf. So they weren't in like awesome shape, but they were like $12. So it has this one like funny branch that I'm assuming is a new branch because it's all like light colors and it just feels like new leaves. But I wanted something for my bedroom because I moved my snake plant into the living room and that's what was in here, but our bedroom gets really poor light and I always forget to open the curtains. So it needs something that is truly like a low light plant, and from what I've heard, ZZ plants actually do well in low light, so I'm going to try it in the bedroom. But I'm excited because this is one plant that I didn't have that everybody loves. So yeah, this is the plant that I bought today. I have one other plant that I'll show you. I did not buy this one today, but I did buy it this week, so I was like, I'll show it to you because it's brand new. And this is it's a pilea, and I think it's called a silver sparkle. And this was at Home Depot for $12.98, and it is huge. It also keeps dropping leaves. It is ginormous. It's insane. It's all like, okay, it's super delicate. I have to stop touching it. But everything is kind of like intertwined like a nest. But it's so pretty. I had a tiny one of these, like a really little one, and it wasn't doing very good, but I kind of think that that's because it was a tiny plant, and tiny plants are so hard to keep alive. So I bought this huge one, and I've never seen anything like this. This is so pretty. So I'm really hoping that I don't kill this guy. But yeah, I was so shocked to see these at Home Depot the other day. The Home Depot that I go to near my house has a ton of tropical plants right now. I should have taken you guys there, but by the time I went everywhere else, I had been gone for like hours. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I definitely get my plants from a variety of places. I love the idea of buying them from smaller stores because they're often better quality plants, and I just like supporting independent greenhouses, but sometimes it's just not realistic just for me to spend like $100 on a fiddle leaf or something. So I definitely do get plants sometimes from like Home Depot. I have several plants from Ikea. My Ikea plants tend to do really well, definitely better than my Home Depot plants. But yeah, I get them from a variety of places. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed filming it and plant shopping, obviously. So if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as I love sharing about my houseplants and houseplant tours and houseplant care and everything like that. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.